Hi, it's Linda from Green Life Soils here. In Perth, a lot of our gardeners are having to contend with gutless sandy soils, and it's really difficult to grow unless you build that soil structure. Now, adding compost and manures will help, but it's very short term and sometimes it can increase water repellency. So we always encourage gardeners to build the structure of soil, and adding clay and biochar are two really great ways to do it. We love Sand Remedy, which is a mineral mix that we make. It is bentonite based but has a number of other minerals which help the bentonite in how it works, and it adds heaps of calcium to your soil, which is another really important mineral. So basically this little tub will treat about 15 square metres of sandy soil, and the benefits of it is it's a one-off thing. You need to dig it through to where the root zone is, which is roughly about the top 30 centimetres, and add moisture, and you can see the clay start to work as it acts like a sponge in your soil.